Hi guys, Cars210 and welcome back to another video. Well you guys, here's the finished product of my brand new ceiling fan. So what do you guys think of it? Looks way better than the older one I showed you guys early this morning. And now you guys will be seeing some testing on this one. But yeah, start doing that now. Alright, here's the first one. Boom! See that? That's the light. It's on. But that's not the only thing that this new fan can do. Watch this. Okay, here is its full speed. Now I better slow this down. Okay, the fan is starting to slow down on it, guys. With it fully slowed down, I'll turn the light off. And there you have it. Fan stop, turn light off now. And there you guys have it. So what you guys think of my brand new fan here? Let me know in those comments below. And plus I'll be using this fan more often. Review videos, racing videos, and unboxing videos. While also will continue using this lamp for extra light too. Alrighty guys, that's it for this one. Now I have some more racing videos coming your way. Hey, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye everyone.